So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you my latest project that I am working on, and it is using these flower pots that we got from Dollar General. I got these flower pots from Dollar General last year. I think it was last year, doing their clearance, one of their clearance events. I don't remember which one, but it was, I got them for about between 25 and 40 cents a piece. And so I got, as you can see, I got a number of them. It's 15 of them on this table, and I've already used one for another project. So I got at least 16 of them. I may have some more. So initially I found one of them, and I knew I had some more, but I couldn't find them. So you guys, after going through the attic and going through all of my baskets and stuff, I finally came across them. So I decided to use them in some basket concepts. So let me show you what I've done with these flower pots. So I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna work my way back this way. So I know you guys saw my video from the Dollar Tree where I talked about these cute little sets that we that they had at the Dollar Tree that had all of the different colors and stuff. And I did a video using these butters and the pedicure set with another concept. I just did it and posted it today, which is Saturday. When you guys see this video, it'll probably be Sunday, but I just posted the video showing that either Friday or Saturday. I can't remember which one. But anyway, I went back to another Dollar Tree, and they had a whole tray of these little body butters. So I got every one that they had in that store, and I got some pedicure sets to go along with them. So I was able to find 9 of the butters and 9 pedicure sets. So I'm using them in my set, in some of these concepts. So let me show you what I did. So I was able also to find, they had some of these cute little house slippers that say enjoy the little things. I only was able to find 2. Well, I found more than 2, but I didn't want to get, I got the large and the extra large. I didn't want to get the real small ones. So I only got the large and the extra large shoes or slippers. So in this one, I just have the body butter, the pedicure set, and a pair of slippers. In the back, you can see I've already wrapped that one up because it kept trying to fall over. So I went ahead and wrapped it up. And it's the same set. And then I had a pair of pink slippers that I already had here. So I put that in a set as well. So in these, I didn't have any more slippers. So what I did was I used the body butter, the pedicure set, and then you guys know we got all of these Lindor truffles at the Dollar General after Christmas for like 25 cents. And I need to use some of them up. So that's what I did for these 1, 2, 3, 4 sets here. I had 1 purple, I did 1 in blue, and then I did 2 in the green pots, and that's what that looks like. So I did 4 of those little pedicure sets there with the Lindor truffles in the back. Then here I had one of these little brush sets that we got these after Valentine's Day. They were 50 cents. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. They were 50 cents. And then I'm gonna turn it around. I also got these claw clips. It was a 4-pack of claw clips. I got this from Dollar General as well after Valentine's Day. And then I showed you guys the little bonnets that I bought from the Dollar General. The Dollar Tree a couple days ago. And then I had one of these Shea Moisture extra virgin coconut oil in my stockpile. So I went ahead and added that to this little gift set to make a cute, complete little hair gift set. And I think it turned out really, really cute. So then I had some more of these mugs. I used a few of these mugs in a concept that I just posted. So I had some more left. I had 4 of them left. If you can see that one back there and these 3 here. I went ahead and used those in these concepts. And all I did was just put the mug. And these are some of the little foot lotion and sock sets that I got from Big Lots after Christmas. And so that's what those look like. I used this is this mug. I have this mug right here. So I have 3 of this mug and 1 of this mug. And then this is the socks that I used and the green one back there. And so I just used these are the pots that I put them in. So that's what those look like. Then last but certainly not least, I had these sets that I got from Dollar General after Valentine's Day during that clearance event that they had. They had these little Scent Happy sets, and this one had I was able to get all of the pieces, the body scrub, the body wash, and the body mist. So I put this in this little green pot, and I'm gonna put the shred. I have, as you can see, I haven't added the shred to that, and then that one will be complete. And then in this one, let me see if I can get it to, because this one keeps wanting to fall over. In this one, I have the the hand soap and the lotion, and then I put a thing of Lindor chocolates in it to finish it off. And so those are the sets that I have there. And these are all of the 15 sets that I have. So I'm getting ready to wrap them up. And I think I think they turned out really, really cute. Like I said, I'm going to finish putting my shred in them. And on the front of them, you guys, I used some of the stickers that I had for, let's say, Happy Mother's Day. Like this one says Happy Mother's Day. And then I have one over here that says, let's see if I can, I love we mom. And so then there's one in the back. So I'm kind of trying to decide, you guys, whether I want to put stickers on all of them. I'm thinking I may put stickers on the ones that have the mugs, because they are Mother's Day mugs. But the ones that don't have mugs, I'm kind of trying to decide whether I want to put something on the inside of the bag or not, or maybe just put something on the outside. But I think without the sticker, the little bucket looks plain. So I may have to do something else, maybe put a bow or something on the front of it to make it not look so plain, because I just don't like it without anything on the front. I think they just look too plain to me. You guys tell me what you think. But I am I'm gonna make a decision on what I'm gonna do for these. And like I said, I may just put like a cute little ribbon and a bow on the front of these. I think that may turn out to be cute, and do it like that, so that way I don't have to worry about if they don't sell, me having to take these apart to take that Happy Mother's Day out of there. So anyway, you guys, I just wanted to share this with you before I wrap these up. So that's 15 more concepts that is done and ready to go. And then I'll be on to the next project. You guys, I'm trying to get these small concepts wiped out. I'm giving myself about 2 weeks to finish all of my smaller concepts. I counted earlier, and I think I have about 50 or so small concepts. So I'm trying to, like I said, my goal is to get at least 100 of the smaller, between $15 to $40 concepts, and then go on to my larger concepts. So I'm trying to give myself another week and then go on to my bigger stuff, because I do have a dollar goal that I'm trying to reach. So anyway, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Maybe it gave you some ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.